Shantirbajar police officers, including the officer in charge and second officer in charge, were felicitated by the Bharatiya Mazdoor Auto Union. The officers expressed their happiness on receiving this honor.
Raju Datta, a newly appointed officer in charge of Shantirbajar police station, was welcomed by members of the Auto Mazdoor Sangh with a ceremonial shawl and bouquet. Raju Datta has recently taken charge after being transferred from Jirania police station. A brief meeting was held at the police station on Friday, where members of the Auto Mazdoor Sangh discussed road safety and future coordination. Along with the OC, newly appointed second OC, Sub-Inspector Samir Bishwas was also felicitated by the association. Those present included Auto Mazdoor Sangh Shantirbajar Subdivision Secretary Apu Majumdar, Vice President Prashanjit Devnath, and Office Secretary Amrit Chakrabarti, among others. During the interaction, both officers expressed interest in organizing the Proyas, a awareness program with the association in the coming days to promote road safety and cooperation.
মূলত আমরা শান্তিরবাজার থানাতে যে নতুন ওসি এবং সেকেন্ড অফিসার এসেছেন ওনাদেরকে সংবর্ধনা দেওয়ার জন্যই আমরা এসেছি। তো এখানে সাউথ ত্রিপুরা অটোরিকশা মজদুর সংঘের শান্তিরবাজার মহকুমা শাখার পক্ষ থেকে আজকে ওসি এবং সেকেন্ড অফিসার দুজনকেই আমরা সংবর্ধনা দিয়েছি।
The police officers expressed happiness over the warm reception from the auto drivers and thanked them for their support and cooperation. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.